Hello everyone! Happy Valentine's Day! Today is February 14. It's a Valentine's Day. Wishing everyone, especially to my viewers and subscribers to S.G.M. Creations and Tutorials. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Greetings from S.G.M. Creations and Tutorials. Today is February 14. It is a Valentine's Day or Valentinstag in German or Deutsch. So I hope everybody celebrating this very special occasion with all those big smile from your faces and a very happy love day together with your loved ones, together with your family. I have here a simple project. This is a serving plate or a dinner plate. This is a white dinner plate. I decorated with cut-out flowers from the recycled magazine, and these letterings I fixed it here with the glue. I cut out these letterings from the magazine and also fixed this a bunch of roses because it's love day, it's Valentine's Day, so it's a red stands for the Valentines. And here I cut out some heart shapes, 3 pieces from both sides, and it adds beauty to this table centerpiece. This is a very simple, a very easy project, and you can do it at home by recycling your old magazine. No need to buy, and you can create an instant Valentine's table centerpiece. So again, from the bottom of my heart, from S.G.M. Creations and Tutorial, wishing you all a happy Valentine's Day. Greetings from S.G.M. Creations and Tutorials. Thank you everyone for all your support, for making my channel grow. Without you, I will never continue to create videos to upload in my channel if without your support. So again, thank you very much, and happy Valentine's Day. We have to celebrate this special day because Love Day or Valentine's Day is a very special occasion, because without love, we are not here in this world. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa aking YouTube channel. Lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. So yung hindi pa nag-subscribe, so those who have not subscribed yet to my channel, S.G.M. Creations, Tutorials, Travels, and Lifestyle, please subscribe so that you will be updated with all my new videos. Please give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video. This one, I'm just using the picture frame stand, and this one is as an ordinary serving plate, and I fix flowers from the magazine which I cut out, and I cut out some letterings so that I could have an instant table centerpiece. And this one you can buy a photo frame stand, and you can use for your stand for your project. So this is all for today. Happy Valentine's Day, and Thank you very much to each and every one of you who supported my channel.